This is Robin. I want to welcome all of my new friends and the ones that's been with me from the beginning. I have a small Dollar Tree haul I'd like to share with you. And I had to go to Walmart to drop my medicine off, and I had to wait on it. So I asked him, I found the 3-hole paper punch, but I didn't want that. I wanted the single one. So I got the single paper hole punch, and it is by Casemate, and it was 97 cents. And then I got these flowers. I thought they were really pretty. They're for a not really a project, but I got them because I wanted to, and I'm going to use them for something different. And then I got these ones for the fall. I love these colors. I thought they were really pretty. And then I got these light. Hope you can hear me. My husband's still in bed. He worked late last night. And then I got my husband a box of the Crunching Month. And I got the orange ribbon for Halloween and fall. And then I got the pink ribbon. I thought this was pretty. And then I am granting a wish on Lori's Make-A-Wish. She has it Monday through Wednesday, and the her wish was her little girl's going to turn 4, and she was wishing for birthday cards for her little girl. So this is it here. It says, Birthday Girl Princess Diva. And it says, celebrate your inner princess and treat yourself to a fabulous, fabulous birthday. And then I'm going to put a few things inside the card for her daughter. And then I got another card for a friend, but I don't want to show it because she's probably going to watch this video. And this is a 370 count, the alphabet and numbers, so I can use this for different things. And then lastly, the Tasty Cake. They are this is a repurchase. These are the delicious Tasty Cake butterscotch crumpets. And there's two in a pack, so there's 12 altogether, but there's 6 individual packs. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. If you like this kind of video, maybe click the like button. If you would subscribe, I'd greatly appreciate it if you haven't already. Take care till we talk again. Have a great day. Bye.